Want to invest in companies like Amazon or Google but don't have thousands for a full share? If you didn't know you can buy pieces of stocks, you're not alone. Today, we're buying fractional shares using the Fidelity mobile app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Fractional shares let you invest in high-priced stocks with any dollar amount, making it easy to build a diversified portfolio. Step 1. Find the trade ticket. Open the Fidelity app and tap Trade. Instead of selecting Stocks, choose Fractional shares from the trade type options. Step 2. Enter your dollar amount. Search for the stock or ETF you want. Instead of entering a number of shares, you'll enter the dollar amount you wish to invest, e.g., $50. Review the order and submit it. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use fractional shares for automatic investing. You can set up automatic investments to buy fractional shares of your favorite stocks or ETFs on a recurring schedule. This is a powerful way to practice dollar cost averaging without needing enough cash for full shares each time. So, just like that, you can invest in any company you believe in, regardless of share price. Fractional share investing goes a long way in making the market accessible to everyone. Now I'm curious, what's the first stock you'd buy with fractional shares? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.